commercial aerospace, semiconductor, Navy nuclear propulsion items, energy, oil and gas. Arundel Machine does complex manufacturing. At the end of the day, we take medium and high complex parts and make them successfully day in and day out with attention to detail and high quality. Our area of expertise in commercial aerospace today is all of the high-level piston actuation. We take those complex components and we simplify them. In the defense sector, we're supporting the F-35 program and some of the Navy nuclear level 1 components. Navy trusts us because they have stringent standards that they know we can comply with. When it comes to the semiconductor business, we're handling some of the components that others have challenges with. Arundel Machine knows how to handle components that have cosmetic requirements. Oil and gas is a more unique industry when you get into subsea. When you're manufacturing components for the oil and gas industry that are laying on the ocean floor, the requirements of what you have to have for attention to detail are vital.